Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I am showing to you how we can to create password generator in Python programming language. First, open your favorite IDE. I'm using pycharm, and now import two model like import random, and after this import string. Okay, now define function. Okay, definition function name for function will be password generator, and give three parameters like minimum length, and after this just write numbers equal to true. Okay, and after this special character special char. Okay, this is also equal to true. Okay, now write colon and press enter. Here write variable like letters equal to what, like string dot ASCII letters, press enter, digits equal to string dot digits, and special equal to string dot punctuation, and after this just pick these three variables in one, like characters equal to what letters, and after this if number true, after this just characters plus and equal to digits, and after this if special, after this just characters plus equal special. Okay, now just come down and write here what, define one variable by name pwd. Okay, and after this just double quotation and leave blank, and after this just write another variable by name like alt equal to false. Okay, and another variable has number, okay, equal to false, and after this has special equal to false. Okay, now just write what. Okay, now write while loop. Okay, like while and not out or length of pwd less than what, less than minimum length. Okay, and after this colon and press enter. Now new char equal to random dot choice. Okay, and characters. After this just write pwd plus equal to new chars. Okay, and now just write here if new char and digit, if new char and digit, just write colon, and now has number equal to true. Okay, now elif new char and special. Okay, now new char has special equal to true. Okay, okay, now press enter, and now here just write like what like out is equal to true. Okay, now if number, okay, number, if numbers are output equal to has number. Okay, out equal to has number. After this again if special, okay, out equal to special not, okay, sorry, if special char. Okay, after this just out will equal to, sorry, equal to out and has special. Okay, now just return your variable like return pwd, and after this just write one variable another like minimum length, okay, equal to integer, get input from user. Okay, and write here enter minimum length. Okay, enter minimum length. So now leave this and depend on another variable like has number, okay, equal to input, and after this just write do you want to have numbers in your password? Okay, yes and no option, and after this question mark, and now just write here dot lower, okay, equal to y. Okay, now just copy this line again, Control C, press enter, and Control V. Now just change this number to special, and also change this number to special. Okay, now recall your function. pwd will be equal to what? Password generator, and enter your 3 parameters, okay, like minimum length, and has number, and has special. Okay, and after this just write print this is your generated password. Okay, and here just write pwd. Okay, now just run your program, and here this say enter minimum length per user. Okay, I will enter 10. Okay, for this time press enter. Do you want to have numbers in your password? Okay, yes or no option. Yes. Okay, do you want to have special character in your password? Yes. Okay, this is your generated password like this. Okay, I want to rerun again. Enter your minimum length 22. Okay, do you want to have numbers? Yes. Do you want to have special? No. Okay, this is your generated password. Okay, special character also have. Okay, this was application for generating random password in Python programming language. Okay, by this we began to create other projects in Python. Please subscribe, promote, and like this video. Thank you for watching.